First of all, the car pickup was very punctual, and the driver was enthusiastic and chatty along the way. The tour guide is a professional and local resident of Dharavi. Before the visit, there is an explanation about Mumbai and Dharavi, as well as a detailed explanation of the tour route and the cultural background behind it. The walk may be a little scary, but with Klook you can enjoy the entire walking journey with peace of mind. Guide Maze is really great. His explanations are detailed, and he clearly points out important things to be aware of. You can ask him questions anytime, and he will always answer enthusiastically. I've had him as my guide twice in Mumbai, and both times were excellent. If you need a guide, I highly recommend him. The third largest slum in the world, Dharavi Slum is the place where many recycling groundwork takes place. A must to visit when you are in Mumbai to see how people live there. Great buy for the whole family and friends, everyone is very happy and enjoy. One of the world's famous slums, the various industries in it support the livelihood of many people, and it is an almost self-sufficient ecosystem. Professional tour guides lead us through it, understand the incredible and miracles inside, understand the impact and results of the rich and the poor in society. It is a very special experience, highly recommended. Great tour, can recommend. Guide had an excellent knowledge about how the slum works. We really didn't know what to expect of the Dharavi Slum tour. In fact, we didn't even know if we should do such a tour, concerned that it may be exploiting the local residents. However, having read about the tour on Google, where else, we decided to take the plunge and made the booking. Mr. Ganesh, our guide, made us feel at ease. He explained that the locals see it as a way to educate us about their way of life. There are plenty of economic activities going on in the slum. It may not be the prettiest of places, but it's their home and they're not ashamed of it. We came across lots of kids during the tour, who joyfully greeted and high-fived us. Their smiling faces are forever etched into our memory. We highly recommend this tour to everyone interested in seeing some of the real Mumbai. What an eye-opening experience! Our tour guide, Maze, was a cool guy who knew everything about the slum life. I would like to show my respect to everyone having a life here. They are hardworking, friendly even in an extremely difficult working environment. Highly recommend. Mr. Muhammad was friendly and professional. Having lived in the slum, he was able to guide us through with ease. I am a solo traveler and it was good to join two other girls from Belgium on our walking tour. I really enjoyed learning what an industrious community the slums are. The guide is very polite and all the services are well. Our guide and rest of group had a prior excursion and so they arrived late to the pickup/meeting point. This was a bit concerning since I arrived 10 minutes early and another 3 packs arrived 2 minutes early, yet no guide. Furthermore, no tel or email contact for the tour agency was provided by Klook. It appeared that the other 3 packs joined via a different website, so we also did not know whether we were joining the same tour. Guide arrived about 10 minutes late with the other 8 packs. The guide, Nanish, was very knowledgeable and friendly. Tour was educational but a little bit depressing. It lasted nearly 145 hours, which was more than enough. Thanks our tour guide Mr. Muhammad for a very good explanation about the slum. We started at 9 a.m. The trip is fun. Highly recommended.